with Neffos X1 Max, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So first of all, just open your camera app, then slide from left to right and click on settings icon. You will notice timer then, so just click on it and pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. I will go with 3 seconds, then let's go back. And if you grab a picture, it will be done after 3 seconds. And obviously, whenever you'd like to switch it off, just perform the same action, just pick off. And now the picture will be grabbed automatically. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.